Make your requests polite with just. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our series on softening language. Today, we're going to explore a special little word that plays a big role in making your requests sound softer and more polite in English conversations. That word is just. You might be thinking, how can such a small word make a difference? Well, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how. When used as an adverb, just can have many meanings such as simply, only, exactly, etc. But in the context of softening language, we often use just to make our requests or instructions sound less direct and more polite. Take the following examples. Direct request, give me the book. Softened request, could you just give me the book? The word just in the second example makes the request less commanding and more acceptable. The positioning of just is key. It generally goes before the verb in the sentence, as in the previous example. Here are a few more examples. Direct, send me the report. Softened, could you just send me the report? Direct, tell me the truth. Softened, could you just tell me the truth? The just makes the request seem less significant and thus less demanding. Just can also be used to soften questions, making them sound more casual and less intrusive. Direct question, are you going to the party? Softened question, are you just going to the party? By using just, the question sounds more like a casual inquiry rather than prying into someone's plans. And that's how the tiny adverb, just, can be used to soften your language, making your requests and questions more polite and less demanding. Remember, it's not always what you say, but how you say it. By incorporating just into your daily English conversations, you'll be able to communicate more effectively and courteously. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and stay tuned for our next video on softening language. Happy learning!